Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste in Chrome Remote Desktop. Let's get into it. First, open the Options menu. The first step is to find the hidden control panel on your remote screen. This is where all the extra tools for your connection are kept. While you are connected to your other computer, look for the small arrow on the right side of your screen and click it. Watch as the sidebar menu slides out. Next, enable clipboard synchronization. You need to turn on the tool that allows your computers to save what you have copied. Scroll down the menu until you see the section for Enable Clipboard Synchronization and click Begin. If there is a pop-up asking for permission, just click Allow. By default, your computers stay separate to keep your data safe. Turning this on creates a bridge for your latest text and images to be transferred across the internet safely. Basically, you can highlight text or image you want on one computer and copy-paste it. Just make sure to look at the top of your web browser near the address bar. Make sure the switch next to clipboard is turned to allow. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.